Finally put on my cheapo Amazon exhaust. Been sitting in my garage for 4 months. Well, I didn't completely put it on. I got lazy. I didn't put the header on. I didn't have time. Another day. I just want to see if it fit and how it sounded. $200. Super easy to put on. Although they give you no instructions, you gotta have to guess. I don't even know if I did this shit right. But there's only so many ways they can go on. Yeah, so looks wise, looks pretty cool. Compared to that big old dual roller on here. A lot smaller, but way lighter than the stock setup. New Tusk tires. So much better than these things. Yeah, so let me just do a quick comparison. Sounds pretty good. What the hell? I'm blowing out the glass pack and you're ready. Whatever. Anyway, let's hear the exhaust from the stock. You get the idea. Definitely a lot louder. And I have the packing in, so if I take the packing out, it'll be even louder, but I don't want to deal with that. I like my neighbors and I want them to continue to like me. Hey buddy. Sorry you're neglected. Yeah, so I like it so far, but I haven't gone on a long ride, so we'll see. Bye bye.